So, hey guys, welcome back with another video on Cyberwar Labs where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, red teaming stuff. So guys, in this video we're gonna see that how we can actually bypass the Windows defenders, like real-time protection defenders. In my previous videos also I showed, but I didn't showed like very deeply. But in this video we're gonna see that how we can perform each and everything step by step. Before moving ahead guys, this video is only for educational purpose. Whatever I'm doing right now, I'm doing everything in my own VMware environment. As you can see here, I've created my multiple virtual systems where I'm doing all this testing. But make sure do not to perform all these attacks on the real-time protection environment. If you're doing something like that, make sure do you have permission properly. And if you haven't watched my previous video, if I want to show you this one, so you can just watch, you can just go and watch this one, Window Defender biggest weakness, where I have shown some like a little bit example, a demo session. But let's see right now properly. And here you can see this is my Kali machine and this is my freshly installed Windows machine. So let me just remove everything, and just right now I've installed this machine like 30 minutes ago. So right now I'm gonna perform the attacks on my this machine. Before moving ahead, let me show you. If I'll just go to the Windows security, as you can see here in my manage settings, okay, real-time protection is on, cloud delivery protection on, automatics and tamper protection is also on. And if I'll just go here, so let me show you. As you can see, there is nothing I having added like any kind of folders where I can perform all this attack. So what I'm gonna do now, let me show you very fast quickly. I'll just go to my hacking tools. I'll go to the Havoc installations is very easy. You can just go to their installation process, you can follow them and you can easily install. Okay, so right now I've created everything. Like here you can see my loader is here, new loader.tll, then all the cpp files I already compiled with my machine here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll simply open my terminal here, sorry, not as a root, and I'll simply run this Havoc server like profiles, and then I will run the client server also to get the shellback of my machine, and this will gonna provide the GUI versions. Okay, for this I'm gonna put the password. So password is password 1234, and that's it. Let me gonna remove each and every files, like all the attacks which I previously done. So hope you now understanding each and every step what I'm doing right now here. Only the difference guys, that I cannot teach you that how to create that loaders. You can learn by yourself if you want. There are articles are available on the internet. I'll try to post on my medium. Okay, I'm not gonna like, I cannot provide each and everything like all commands, but yeah, I will try to provide at least those things which can help you. Okay, which can help you to understand if you have a like basic knowledge about all that things. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll simply start my view listeners, and you can see that the listener is started. And now what I'm gonna do now, as I have already transferred the file or my new loader inside this my new machine, but let me tell you how you're gonna do that. Windows, sorry, not this, PowerShell. So okay, sorry, not run, there is no need to run the PowerShell as admin mode, sorry. Or I can do simply yeah, PowerShell, that's it. And now if I'll just go and check my this environment, let's see dir, and let me show you where is my loader file. Here we go. Here you can see. So my right now in my, you can see the loader file is inside the temp environment, new loader.dll. so I have already installed this. So but how you can do that, you need to simply run this command. Okay, iwr-uri, then you need to simply run the python server inside the Kali terminal where you have like hosted the file. Okay, right now this is my like Havoc server inside this. So simply you need to run python -m http, because I'm trying to transfer my this loader file from my Kali to my Windows machine. Okay, so you can simply run this command, and once you will run this command, it will automatically transfer the file inside your whatever the directory you will select. But I will always suggest you to, whatever you are doing, make sure to do in the temp directory, because whenever you will restart your machine, everything will be cleaned up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'll simply clear this, and now what I'm going to, I'll simply run this command reg srv32.exe, then I'm gonna run the my new loader, and boom, now you can see it's saying welcome, which means our command is successfully executed. And now if I'll just come back to my Kali machine and inside the Havoc GUI versions, let's see, and yes, you can see this guys, like test user of my that machine, and I'm gonna like just simply do like this session view inside graph, and let me just drop down, and here you can see, and boom, can you see guys, that we have successfully cracked the machines, like the machine. Now we have the complete shell of this machine. Now if I just click on the CMD help, and now if I can do the IP config to check the IP details, you can see the details have been sent to the task agent, and here is my IP. So hope you guys enjoy this video and you learn something new. We'll meet with another video as for this video. That's it.